Hello there. Hello, welcome to RevelatorAlf, a biker's life less ordinary. Well, gonna head down that way, there, and I'm gonna get onto some forbidden trails. Let's see how far I get. Catch you on the other side.
RevelatorAlf.
Right, so out on the back roads again. I know there's a little trail up here I want to go and try out. Make sure no cars are coming the other side. There we go. Right, let's have a look here. Now this is a drive and it turns into a bit of a sloppy mess. I came up here in the summer and it was bone dry, and I always thought it would be a great one to come and try out in the winter. And we had a lot of rain last night, but it's been so dry the last few weeks, relatively speaking, so this all sort of soaked it up. So let's go and see. The front tyre's slipping a bit, rear tyre's slipping a bit. I'm going a bit faster than I normally would on these trails, but it does look relatively dry. Let's just stand up a bit. There we go. Just get up on the front pegs a little bit. It's a bit of moguls going on here. I could have taken the drier line on the right hand side, but let's have a look. Yeah, this is just like a farm track, really. Nothing forbidden about this. Well, I don't think so anyway. I think it's kind of designated as an actual road, but we'll soon see. There we go. Not really wearing any waterproofs today, so yeah, that's gonna get straight in the washing machine when I get back home to this evening. Right, let's see where the next bit is. That was good. Woohoo! Yeah. Now through here there is a trail. Let's see where we go. Right. I think that's what we class as a big failure. Let's see where this is. The beaten trail a little bit. Lovely woods, lovely open woods as well. Nice. Under the tyres, I'm just on the pegs a little bit. Kind of quite slimy up ahead. Now there's kind of a little intersection of all trails here, isn't it? Right. Let's see where. Beauty. So I do like getting out into the trees as much, but not really defined trails here. I mean, it should be nice. It'd be a nice little ride. But I was here, so I'm not sure there'll be much going on. Little road there. Like quite a few people have come here and decided to walk their dogs as well. Not a bad idea, I've got to say. Not very nice. Very nice. Indeed. Let's have a look at this then. There we go, look at that. There's the runway. How cool. Right, let me sort of double back then. I made it to the runway. Yeah, very quiet airfield though. I could, I've got the boxes on the back, I'll never get out of that. So what I'll do, I'll double back, have a bit more of a forbidden trail, and then head on out. Road is clear. Right, let's pull over here. Well, it's windy and I managed to get on the trail. Really cool. I hope you enjoyed that one. Really windy out here. Bit of hidden trails there. Great to go and ride. Couple of failures, but you don't try, you don't get. And sticking to the hard trails, you know, not really doing much harm. But it's good to actually get down there on the runway and see what that was like. It would have been even better if there's some big planes or helicopters taking off. Anyway, catch you on the next video. If you like the video, like the channel, please subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.